I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at the iHealth thermometer. So this is a non-contact forehead thermometer, and you can see it has this really cool kind of futuristic design. You don't often see design innovation in these kinds of products, so it's really cool to see this kind of like a clear plastic front. There's no real visible display on it until you switch it on. And then it has the kind of standard infrared sensors on here to read from the forehead. So we switch it on just by pressing this button. And when we do that, you can see it's actually going to bring up the temperature reading in this screen here. So it does, in fact, have a little screen on it. And the coolest thing about this is that it actually is silent. So most thermometers, when you take a reading, will beep. This one will actually vibrate to let you know that it's taken the reading, and then it'll display the reading. I'll show that in a moment. So the cool thing with that is you can take a reading on a kid, even if they're asleep, for example, and you're not going to wake them up, and you're not going to have that kind of irritating beep that you normally get with some of these thermometers. So let's go ahead and test it out. You can see I just position this above the forehead. I'm going to press the button on there. It takes about 1 second to take a reading. There's a little vibration, and then it's going to display my temperature, 97.1 degrees Fahrenheit. So super easy to use. I really like the vibration to let you know that it's taken a reading. Really cool, sleek design, and it does use AAA batteries, so it's easy to replace the batteries if you need to.